for you here. Very windy and dry recently. Of course, you know, we've been talking about increased fire danger, and it's really gotten pretty bad up to the point where the Forest Service has issued a statewide burn ban for everybody. So no open burning until conditions improve, until further notice, and they give us the all clear. You've probably noticed it's a little cooler outside today from the cold front that moved through yesterday. We'll warm up a little bit over the weekend, but that wind, man, that wind is still with us for at least the next few days, and that's part of what's driving that fire danger concern. The burn ban went into effect at 8 o'clock this morning, and it's going until the Forest Service says so. So no bonfires, burn piles, things like that. Grills are okay as long as you're smart and responsible. I know March Madness is on. Lots of folks want to get outside, but you just have to be smart and responsible with those flames. No outdoor burning until the Forest Service gives us that all clear. Just because of how dry and breezy it's been recently, our fire danger today is high, even very high in the foothills too. So be smart and responsible. That's the big take home. Wouldn't want to start any wildfires across the Piedmont Triad. We've already seen a few active fires around other parts of the state. It is a beautiful blue sunny day. There's a live look over Greensboro, Wendover Avenue. But the sunshine's kind of fooling us because the temperatures don't reflect that pretty sunshine. Upper 40s, low 50s out there at lunchtime. We really haven't warmed up a whole lot. Even still some upper 30s and low 40s up in the mountains at lunchtime. So our temperatures have been held back a little bit today. The wind is out of the west and northwest, so it's been breezy. I do expect the wind to relax a little bit later this afternoon, but it's still a fairly cool day overall. Highs right around average in the low 60s, then down into the 50s and 40s overnight tonight. Breezy with that high fire danger in the foothills right around 60 later this afternoon, and only low 50s for the mountains, with a few of those extra clouds starting to stream in later this evening and into our Saturday morning. Weekend overall looking pretty good. Temperatures will be mild, even warm in some spots, right around 70. We'll have plenty of sunshine, but again, it's the wind. Pretty gusty Saturday afternoon, and then even still breezy on Sunday. So as temperatures climb back up, you know that's going to stir the pollen up. Tree pollen is just awful right now. Yesterday it was at a high level. Cooler temperatures today helping to bring it down just a little bit, but as it gets milder over the weekend and those temperatures are back up near 70, the pollen is just going to shoot right back up again. And when the wind stirs it around, it makes it really, really tough for allergy sufferers. So keep that allergy medicine handy the next few days. What we could really use for the fire danger and that pollen is a good soaking rain. Unfortunately, it just doesn't look like we're going to get that anytime soon. My next chance of rain is on Monday as a cold front moves through. A few scattered showers possible, but we're likely looking at just around 1/4 of an inch or less of rain. So it's not much. We'll take what we can get. It is mild and breezy over the weekend. That next chance of rain on Monday. And then we stay mainly dry with plenty of sunshine and highs in the 60s next week.